heritage, instilling discipline, fostering confidence, and shaping bright future. Our school motto is nobility of character and belief in. Roots of education are bitter, but fruits are sweet, and this belief feeds us when our scholars wonders in various areas. Some rare gems of our school are Akash Gangwar, IFS, Shehbazur Rahman, IFS, Harsh Mulakoti, pilot, Air India, Nishi Katiyar, IIT Bombay, Dr. Jommi Jain, Saurabh Gangwar, Major, Indian Army, Dr. Christina Bernard, Dr. Bhuni Gambar, Jasmeet Singh, Google USA, Dr. Priyanka Patel, and many more. St. Peter, where high-tech meets excellence.
St. Peter, we believe in giving every student the opportunity to enhance their confidence and turn their dreams into reality.
I want to become a soldier. I want to become a pilot. I want to become a IAS officer. I want to become a CA. I want to become a teacher.
At St. Peter, every dream begins here. Our school always insists on giving values, building discipline, and promotes a healthy school culture. Believes in unity, which is best done through morning assembly.
Unity is the one which keeps us strong.
Discipline helps us to stay strong. As we all know, that sports plays a vital role in maintaining our health and building a strong nation. Here at St. Peter's, we encourage every student to explore their potential through sport.
Like javelin throw,
symbolizes confidence,
like discus throw,
symbolizes synchronization,
shot put,
symbolizes strength,
basketball,
symbolizes coordination,
and all other activities.
which maintains skills and development.
Our vast ground provides space and resources to conduct all kinds of activities.
Dear children, education is very important for the survival in the today's world. It makes you disciplined, smart, and you learn different ways and create new ways to save the environment. In today's world, we need to be smart. We need to work smartly and we need to use our time smartly. For this, we have EM booths.
Various activities are conducted for all rounds development of students so that they can become confident, disciplined, and ready to face the challenges of life.
AI increases the work productivity.
It saves time and it is more convenient.
It makes people mentally disabled
And also create unemployment.
Let's move to our stage performances. We have now and then conducted various programs like annual day celebration, Christmas celebration, annual exhibitions, where students are exposed to large gatherings. And these gatherings build up their confidence, making them ready to face the challenges of the outer world. Let's move to our staff. Our school has dedicated, experienced, committed, knowledgeable, and supportive staff of more than 80. Many of their experience is not less than 20 years in continuation, which itself is a milestone for the school. Their dedication and insightful guidance has shaped so many minds, and their empathetic approaches make their learning a joyful throughout their schooling experience. Let's not forget our school activities. Our school is often engaged in social activities which foster community spirit and instill values of compassion and responsibilities in the students. These activities include organizing cleanliness drives, tree plantation drives, visit to the old age homes and the orphanages. School also conduct awareness campaigns on health, hygiene, and these all contribute positively to the students' life where they learn these social values like the sense of responsibility and the active citizenship, which is going to make them a responsible citizen in the future for the country.
Dear parents, guardians and my dear students, St. Peter's Senior Secondary School Kitcham is committed to providing a holistic, value-based education that nurtures academic excellence and personal growth. Join us in shaping a bright future for your child in a supportive and inspiring environment. Together, let us empower young minds to achieve their full potentials. We are delighted to announce that admissions for the upcoming academic year 2025-26 are now open.